Hey, just wanted to do a video to show you guys this on the new 2025 4Runner I have. I don't know if you can see it, it's so dark, but there's that spoiler. It's kind of ridiculous. Look how low that is. It's an off-road 4Runner, and it comes with this dumb chin spoiler. Yeah, that's good for off-roading, right? Not. So we're gonna take it off. I think it is a 10 millimeter. Let's see. Yeah, perfect. 10 millimeter wrench, and if I remember correctly, there's like probably 10 or so, or 14, I forget, bolts to take out. So we're gonna take it off. Hopefully my camera stays on and you can watch. All right. And you can see my 4th gen Tacoma. If you guys follow me, know that I have that. Soon I'll do a comparison video of both the new 4Runner and Tacoma. But let's take this dumb skid plate off. Let's see. Here's a good spot. Oh shit. Man, this sucks. So many tabs. not just some 10mm bolts. There's tabs that take off too. What a hassle. Look at this dumb thing. So dumb. Coming on an off-road vehicle. Look how much space that frees up. Look at that. That's ridiculous on a off-road model coming with that. So it was like 9 bolts, I think is what it was. And then there's like 2 tabs that are a bitch to take off, but they pop out of the bumper. Oh shit. Alright. So, as you can see, a lot more clearance. I just wanted to show you guys that. Removing that dumb chin spoiler. The first mod on the brand new 2025 4Runner we have off-road already looks way better. The clearance needed for supposed to be an off-road model. I don't get why Toyota put that on an off-road model, but now it's off. Looks a lot better, right? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thanks.